Alrighty, good morning, guys. In today's lesson and in futures lessons, you will be using the Flipgrid program. It is essentially a place where you can respond to different questions I'm going to be asking you and respond to other kids' responses kind of as we go through different lessons. So when you get to the Flipgrid, you'll be clicking a link that's within your assignment. You do want to join using your Microsoft account. Your Microsoft account is going to be your school issued email address. Mine is millmine@phoenixunion.org, so that's going to be the account that you're going to need to use as your student email address. You'll then be using your 1PU password to kind of sign in, and you will see a screen that looks similar to this, and you will be given a prompt. So let's check out this prompt here. It is probably not much, it's just a testing one. But in the ones that you watch from me, I would be asking you to do something. So you need to respond to a question. You'll also see text in there as well that will walk you through what I'm looking for you to talk about. So you would then need to record your response, and you can do that by clicking on the record. Step one, you have 15 seconds to record your video. I think I'm giving you 2 minutes on the one today, but it can be, I might set it for a minute and a half or 20 seconds or whatever moving forward, so you can record your video right here. So I'm just going to do that. All right, I finished my thing. I can then pause and click next. I can review it. If I'm good with what I said, I can click next to post it, and then you do have to take a selfie. This is kind of confusing if you don't pay attention. You do actually have to click the picture button to move on with the thing. So I'm going to take a picture, and now I can click next, and my video will now be uploading at this point. Sometimes the upload takes a little bit longer. Sometimes it goes a little bit quicker. It really kind of depends on the length. So now it's complete, and you'll see your video kind of being added to the archive. Now, in order to respond to other students' videos, the process is going to be very similar, but you have to actually watch their video, and then by the time you get to the end of their video, you'll be able to have the option to record a response to them. So following kind of the outline that I provided you in our discussion in class, you'll want to record a response to how some other students respond to some of these questions.